Behind every luxury lifestyle are disciplined habits, patient investing, and a clear roadmap toward financial freedom. This video peels back the gloss to show how iconic brands, private yachts, and rare cars symbolize long-term value creation. Successful people grow wealth by mastering risk, diversifying assets, and converting passion into scalable ventures. For a practical luxe lifestyle, balance aspiration with mindful spending, invest in quality experiences, and prioritize durable essentials. Which small step will you start this week to move closer to your ideal life? And what luxury feels most attainable?